In this video, you'll learn how to set up Phantom Wallet and how to use it effectively. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a fully functional wallet for managing your digital assets. To begin, navigate to the official Phantom Wallet website. Once the home page loads, look for a prominent button that says download. This button will direct you to the appropriate download options for your device. After you click download, you will see options for different platforms, including Chrome, Windows, and iOS. Choose the option that corresponds to your device. If you are using a Chrome browser, select Add to Chrome. This action will initiate the download process. Next, confirm the installation by clicking Add Extension when prompted. This step will install the Phantom Wallet extension to your browser. Once the installation is complete, an icon will appear in the upper right corner of your browser, indicating the Phantom Wallet is ready to be set up. Now, click on the Phantom Wallet icon. The wallet setup screen will appear, presenting you with options to create a new wallet or import an existing one. If you are a new user, select Create New Wallet. You will then be prompted to create a secure password. Make sure this password is strong and memorable, as it will protect your wallet. After setting your password, you will be given a recovery phrase. This phrase is crucial for recovering your wallet. If you ever forget your password, write it down and store it in a safe place. Once you've secured your recovery phrase, confirm that you have saved it by clicking Next. Once your wallet is created, you will see the main dashboard. Here you can view your account balance, receive assets, and send transactions to receive assets. Click on the Receive button. This action will display your wallet address and a QR code, which you can share with others for receiving funds. To send assets, click on the Send button. Enter the recipient's wallet address and the amount you wish to send. Ensure that you double check the address, as transactions cannot be reversed. After entering the details, click Send to initiate the transaction. Depending on network congestion, this process may take a moment to complete. As you use Phantom Wallet, keep in mind the importance of security. Regularly check your account for unauthorized transactions and always log out when you are finished using the wallet, especially on shared devices. Additionally, be aware of the file size of any assets you may be transferring, as larger files can take longer to process, especially on slower internet connections. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.